Hey, what's up everyone? It's Strat from Alpine Trading, and I want to walk you through two trades that I took today on SPY. One puts for 160%, and then the second trade I took were SPY calls that went 475% to the end of the day. So let's jump into the SPY puts, and I'll show you why I liked this 437.08 level coming into the day. I was watching SPY in pre-market, and I saw that we were up here near that 439 level. And basically what I was looking for here was either a breakout over 439 or a breakdown under 437. And the last time we broke down through 437, we came all the way down to about 435.74, and this happened on Thursday, so it was 2 trading sessions ago. I knew that the 437 level was going to be huge. If we could get a break underneath of that, we could see some move and some accelerated down price action towards that 435 level. So if I go to the 5-minute chart now, I'll show you exactly what I was watching here and how this played out. So what happened was we got a shooting star candle here on the 5-minute towards at that high of day, and then we just saw accelerated selling all the way down in the next 15 minutes. And then on that 20th minute, that 5-minute candle, we sold all the way down, making new lows, selling down past 437 with some accelerated sell volume. And then what happened here was we got a bear flag or consolidation in the 5-minute underneath of a key level at 437.08, right? Remember that 1 hourly level that I was telling you about? This is it right here. We break down through it and then we consolidate, and we show that this is clear resistance here at 437. We get 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections at that level, and then we break down out of the bear flag, and these puts go about 160% here on the SPX puts. Now, the call trade that I was looking at, if I turn on my EMAs here, I'll show you what I was looking at here on SPY calls. So we made a new low of day, we got a tweezer bottom towards low of day, and then we started this push back up, right? All the way from that low of day up here, back when we kind of got back up to this 200 EMA level, which we started to reject the purple line here, we only had one red candle. So the pillar in my system, the 3 pillars are to find the trend, find the momentum, buy the pullback, and ride the wave. And here's a great example of how that worked out. So we had found the trend, right? The EMA started to separate here for us. The 9, this is the 9, and then the 21 is the yellow one. So they started to separate here, and I know that we had some momentum because during this time, NVIDIA started moving and QQQ was moving up as well. So the same level that we sold from before and took these 160%, I was looking to get back up over this level and then push back up to our next level, or that high of day up here around that 439 level. So I told the group that I was getting into 438 calls, and then as you can see, we just got straight vertical price movement here on SPY all the way up until the end of the day. But we hit that target here, we hit that key level, that 439 level, and if you look at the 9 EMA here, this blue line, we never got a 5-minute candle close below this line. We just continued to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. So the next time you ask Strat, how do you stay in a trade that long? This is exactly how you trail your stop. You use an EMA or you use trend structure. If you don't have your EMAs on and you don't like looking at EMAs, you look and see if you're continuing to make higher highs and higher lows, or if we're trending down, are we making lower lows and lower highs? This is how it works. This is how I took SPY puts 160% and how I took SPY calls 475%. I hope this recap helped, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.